2-bedroom apartment. This is the view, and on the left is the master bedroom. Here is the shower, and here is the laundry room, washer, dryer. Then here is the kitchen, and this is the balcony, and this is the view. So it's end unit, so it's on the left. In the front is not facing anyone, and right here there is no neighbors that can see you. And this is to take over my contract. 1 year left, and you're taking it for the old price because now it's more expensive, and basically you're transferring my contract. So here is the living room. This is the master bedroom, and this is the view. So it's facing the school, and this is the master shower, the master bedroom, washroom. In a master bedroom you get the big closet, which is right here. This is how it looks like. The dining table. This is the dining table. You can add more chairs. And now we're going to, this is the second bedroom, and this is the view. It's facing here, and this is the other window, and there is big closet here as well. And here, this is king bedroom, the king bed. This is the view. No one can see you, no neighbors. It's very nice view. And then this is the balconies right here. It's very nice in the summer. And this is the view. It's very open. No neighbors they can see you. Here's the view. And this is 2-bedroom, 2 washroom, and it's $2,520 without parking. With the parking, or without the parking, is $2,320. So what's included? So what's included is water, heat, and internet, high-speed internet, and of course parking. It's indoor parking, heated, and the hot water tank is included. So basically you pay only the hydro, which comes around, I would say, $40. That's it. Everything else is included, like garbage, internet, hot water, heat, and there is central air conditioning, so you can control it from here. So here you can control either if you want it cool, if you want it off, if you want the AC. And it's very nice view. We're here in the 10th floor, and basically I'm giving you my contract, which is 1 year left at the old price. I think now if you get the same apartment, it's gonna cost you more expensive. So now we will go see the gym, the entrance of the building, and so many things. So here we got the 2 elevators. They're very fast. So now we're going to the roof to show you how the swimming pool, the roof looks like. It's in the same building.
Rooftop terrace.
This is how the roof looks like. You have open space room, and then the pool is here outside, because now it's the winter. In the summer it should be open. And there is a outside terrace as well, barbecue outside. This is how it looks like. It's in the same building. There's television. There is outside living. Here should be a kitchen. This is how it looks like. This is the view. This is the top roof, and there is another roof, looks the same in the other building. And now we can go to the gym. There is a spa as well downstairs. Here's the gym. And that's what the gym looks like. Now I'll go down and show you the parking. Here's the parking. That's how it looks like. Heated parking garage. Here how the main entrance would look like. So this is in Barrhaven, and this is the main road. So now we exit. That's how it looks like. This entrance is always closed. There is security 24 hours. And here, if you want to call someone, basically you just
Welcome. To visit a resident, select the person on the list, then press the call button.
And this is the main entrance. This is how it looks like. Now we're here in Barrhaven. It's a very good location. Walmart is walking distance, and Staples, it's walking distance, and a bus stop, 2 bus stops, one in the left, one in the right. This is how the building looks like. Now we're going back. This is the station. underneath the building. And here is the other lobby that you can come anytime. This is how it looks like. It's 24/7 open for the residents. Here you can get a coffee. This coffee you can get anytime. Fridge, kitchen. There is 2 washrooms. And 2 washrooms are here. And there is, in the summer, there is outdoor, you can barbecue, or they put chairs outside. Here's the spa. However, the spa is now closed, but there's a hot tub, there's jacuzzi, sauna. Everything is inside. It's included, like the swimming pool is included, gym is included, and the use of all the utilities in the building, like the lobby or outside use, barbecue, heat is included. This is the view from outside. Here is the other main lobby. Here is the reception, the building. You can stay here. And here is the mailbox. So if you have any mail, it should come here. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. It's available as soon as possible, or January available, or February 2025, or 2024 December. Thank you for watching my video. If you have any question, please feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.